Hi guys, my name is Saigren and welcome to my YouTube channel, the AR Gear Guy. In this video, I'm going to show you the entire end-to-end process of setting up Quest Pro and Quest 2 for virtual reality development in Unity 3D. This is the only video that you need to watch in order to understand how to create a meta developer account, how to set up the hardware, how to import the Oculus integration SDK into Unity and all that. So let's get started. So first of all, before going there, I have created a checklist for you to go through before getting started. And in that checklist, the first thing is creating a meta account. So meta account is a developer account which will enable you to develop applications and games for meta headsets like Meta Quest, Quest 2, Quest Pro, and what are the upcoming headsets. So in order to create a meta account, you can